Namaste. In recent times, we have heard about dramatic changes occurring in the sky that could significantly impact humanity. One such phenomenon is known as Kuja Sthambana. Now, let us delve deeper to understand what Kuja Sthambana truly means. According to astrology, the planets transition from one Rashi to another over varying time intervals. For instance, Shani takes approximately 2.5 years to transition from one Rashi to another, while Guru Graha remains in a single Rashi for about a year. Rahu and Ketu transit through a single Rashi for 18 months before moving on. The Surya takes 1 month to transit a Rashi, while the Chandra takes just 2.5 days. Similarly, Mars, which is called as Kuja, travels one Rashi to another in a time of 45 to 48 days. As Earth's inhabitants, we experience various types of planetary motions collectively referred as chara. Planetary motions are primarily used to describe the apparent motions and behaviors of planets from the perspective of the observer on Earth relative to Earth's motion. Various motions are important not only for calculating the positions of planets but also in the field of Vedic astrology. The different types of planetary movements, which are Vakra, Sama, Ativakra, and so on, are used to interpret a planet's influence over specific time periods and their effects on life events. Vakra, retrograde motion. When the planet appears to move backward, it is called as Vakra. So, what is Kuja Sthambana? Kuja Sthambana refers to the period when Mars, means Kuja, remains in a single zodiac sign for an extended duration, often due to a very slow transit or a stationary period, making its motion significantly slower than usual. This phenomenon is sometimes described as nirvichara, meaning stationary, when the planet appears to pause in its motion before changing direction. Vakri. Vakri is also used as a synonym for planet Mars, as planet Mars is usually gets retrograde motion. So, let us observe Kuja Graha transition in the year 2024 and 25. From August 21 of 24 to October 21 of 2024, Mars had transitioned Mithuna Rashi. After that, Mars moved very slowly into Karkataka Rashi and remains in the Rashi for 92 days. This slow movement results in Kuja Sthambana, where Mars stays in a single sign, which is Cancer or Karkataka, for an unusually long time. This period extends until January 22 of 2025 year. After this, Kuja changes its direction into retrograde motion, which is also called as Vakra Gati, which occurs in Mithuna Rashi again. The reverse travel starts on December 7th of 2024. Kuja remains in Mithuna for about 81 days during this retrograde period. Up to April, retrograde motion can be interpreted as a time when the planet's energies are turned inward or cause delays, revisiting past issues or offering opportunities for reflection. Typically, Mars transits a single zodiac sign in about 45 to 48 days regularly. However, In this particular case, Mars will remain in Mithuna for an extended period of 136 days, which is quite rare and represents a significant Sthambana or stationary motion. Therefore, instead of moving through two signs in about 90 days, as would normally happen, Mars will take almost a year to transit these two signs, Mithuna and Karkataka Rashis. This extended Sthambana motion is unusual and carries significant astrological implications. The effects of Kuja Sthambana vary, bringing both positive and negative outcomes depending on the Rashi, means zodiac sign. This year, with the phenomenon occurring in Mithuna Rashi and Karkataka Rashi, impacts will be mixed, with most Rashis experiencing positive influences and a few facing challenges too. Makara, Simha and Kumbha Rashis are poised to reap significant benefits from this Kuja Sthambana, making it a favorable period for growth and success. Then Tula, Vrishabha and Kanya Rashis are likely to experience moderately positive results. However, caution is advised to navigate minor challenges effectively. The phenomenon of Kuja Sthambana has profound implications, especially for Mithuna Rashi, Karkataka Rashi, Meena Rashi, Mesha Rashi, Vrishchika Rashi and also Dhanur Rashi. Mithuna and Karkataka Rashis are directly affected as the Sthambana occurs in respective Rashis, leading to significant challenges. Meena Rashi and Mesha Rashis experience the effects of Kuja Sthambana in the fourth house, means Chaturtha Kuja Pida, which can bring moderate difficulties. Then after, Vrishchika Rashi and Dhanu Rashi. These Rashis face the impact of Kuja Sthambana in the 8th house or Ashtama Kuja Pida, which is leading to potential struggles. Individuals from these 6 Rashis, which are Mithuna Rashi, Karkataka Rashi, Meena Rashi, Mesha Rashi, Vrishchika Rashi and Dhanur Rashi, suffers from health issues and diseases, accidents or physical injuries, financial crisis and monetary losses, real estate setbacks, misunderstanding in relationships, legal disputes and conflicts, struggles in family relationships, business losses and instability. To counterattack the negative effects of Kuja Sthambana, our ancient scriptures recommended some remedies. Firstly, Kuja Shanti. Performing specific Kuja mantra japa and havana dedicated to Lord Angaraka can significantly reduce its malefic effects. Secondly, Subramanya Stotra Parayana. Regular recitation of Subramanya Stotras helps in gaining divine blessings and reducing challenges. Thirdly, Subramanya Katha Shravana. Listening or narrating stories of Lord Subramanya brings peace and strength during turbulent times. Finally, Naga Pratishtha. Establishing a Naga idol or participating in rituals related to serpent deities, means Naga Devatas, is another effective remedy. These practices, that too especially Kuja Shanti, involving dedicated rituals and prayers, can have a tremendous impact in alleviating the difficulties posed by Kuja Sthambana and ensuring a smoother path ahead. Kuja Sthambana is a unique astrological event with varied effects across the zodiac spectrum. While some Rashis need to brace for challenges, others can look forward to positive transformations. Understanding these influences help individuals prepare and navigate this cosmic phase effectively. Namaste.